Welcome to Toasting Culture YouTube channel. And thanks to all my subscribers. And if you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to click on the like button and also to drop your comment. So today I'll be doing a pattern paper on how to draft a pencil sketch. So I'll be using a paper pattern and I'll try as much as possible to use a simple illustration that will be easy for the beginner to be able to draft out their own pencil sketch. So what I'll be doing now, the first thing we'll be doing, we'll be needing our tape rule, we'll be needing our ruler. This is hip cup. Actually, we will not be using hip cup. We'll not be using it because this is for the beginner. So what we'll be doing now is for you to cut your pencil sketch, you need your measurements. You need your waist measurement, you need your hip measurement, and you need the length of your skirt. You need the length of your skirt. So the waist I'll be working with the waist 24, hip 34, and the length I'll use the whole length of the paper pattern. So for you now, what you need to do now for you to be able to fold your paper, since your hip is 34, so all you need to do is to divide your hip by 4. Now we have 34 here. 34 divided 4 is 8.5. So 8.5, you need some allowance. You need some allowance. As a beginner, you can even add up to 6 allowance. So you measure your waist. Your waist is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. You measure your 6 here. You had 1 inch for your darts. And you had 1.5 for your sewing allowance. After adding that, from that point, you come down, you mark 8 inches. You mark 8 inches. If your hip is 30, you can mark 7 inches. So, but here I'm working with 8 inches because the hip of the hip I'm working with is 34. So you come down, you measure 8. After measuring 8, from there you mark your hip. The hip is 34. 34 divided by 4 is 8.5. So you mark your 8.5. Then you put your sewing allowance 1.5. So now you've added your 1.5 to your hip line for your sewing allowance. So what you will do now is to measure. Whatever you have from there. I have 9.5. So this 9.5, I'm going to come down here and remove 1.5 from that 9.5. So I'll remove 1.5. We'll be left with 8. 8. So I've marked my 8. So now I'm going to connect from the hip, from the waist to the hip, from the waist to the hip, and from the hip to the down part of it. So that's all about it. And the next thing is to put your back. You place your back so that you're able to cut them together. So what you need to do here is just to leave 1.5 inches for your zipper. That's your zip allowance. So once you place it, then you place it together, and you can just cut it out. After cutting it out, the zipper area also, you will divide that one into 2. You will divide that into 2. So you can see this is our skirts. Don't forget I use paper pattern and the length here is just 13 inches. So now this is the front, this is the back pattern. That one is 2 pieces. The back pattern. So we place it on me. Place it down. So I'm going to place this on top so you can see. So if this video has actually helped you, please give a thumbs up. And let me know if you want me to tell you how to sew it. Then I'll do a video on how to sew it. I hope this will be of help to the beginners. Thanks very much for watching. God bless you.